Hello out there, how's it going? My name is Cassie with Zappos, and today we're looking at the Plume Elegance leather laptop tote bag from Lipault Paris. This tote bag is constructed out of a leather material featuring a very soft pebbled finish. Has that logo imprinted right along that front flap, gives you two rolled leather shoulder straps up top, nice and squishy. It's gonna be great and comfortable. In the back, it has a hidden pocket there with a zipper closure. Store some stuff that you like to reach easily. It also offers a rear sleeve attachment so you can add it to your luggage when you travel. The bag also has a flat base with some protective feetwear to keep it from getting scuffed. The main compartment opens up with ease with a magnet closure here. You'll also find a slip pocket right along that front panel with a button closure, and it opens up with two zippers there. On the inside, you'll find a fun printed lined interior with several options for organization. There's a center divided pocket right in the middle. You could put a tablet or your cords for your laptop with this laptop compartment in the back that has a hook and loop strap to keep it nice and secure. Also offers a few slip pockets as well as a large zip pocket against that opposite wall. This elegant and sophisticated style will complete your work look today. It's from Lipault Paris.